In a bid to settle the age-old debate of which universe is superior, the Justice League and Avengers gather for an unusual contest, a sneeze-off. With a serious face, Batman insists on examining the rules, broadcasting his belief in due diligence, as Tony Stark quips, "Don't worry, Bats, we've got a license to sneeze." Over to Thor, who dramatically sneezes with the force of a thunderstorm, sending Captain America's shield flying. Meanwhile, Flash, sneezing at sublight speed, leaves the audience blinking in bewilderment. As Diana sneezes with Amazonian grace, Spider-Man, in a corner, hilariously attempts to tie his mask tighter, whispering, "Now isn't this a marvel to behold?" Amidst laughter, everyone realizes the contest was futile, declaring the fans the true winners of both universes.